Hey everyone, here at Epping. Today we're doing metro replacement vlogs. Here's Talawong, bus to Talawong, 11M, departing. Here's another Talawong, 11M, by all stations, M/0 9845. Not too sure why there's a 11M to Chatswood over here. By the way, the M/0 is 9850. Originally, I was supposed to film some vlogs in Chatswood, but the buses came so late. And also, I was meant to film a train replacement vlog in Chatswood, but there was too many people over there, so I took the bus and decided to go to Epping so I could reach to my train, but my train was 20 minutes or 14 minutes around then, I don't know, delayed. So I decided to film some vlogs in Epping instead. Hope you enjoyed it. Sorry if I'm stumbling in my talking, I'm not very good at this. I'm getting towards there, I'm not too sure. I'm very good at talking, so apologies for that. Got a Chatswood service approaching Epping Station, followed by Macquarie Uni, Macquarie Park, then North Drive all the way to Chatswood. M/05275. Buses approaching at Epping, all stations to Talawong. First stop Cherrybrook, Castle Hill, Showground, all stations to Talawong. Here's another bus, M/06055, CEC New South Wales Volgren, CR22288L. I forgot the buses, I'll check later. Anyway, I'll wrap the vlog up here. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll try to make more vlogs.